Hey guys, today we're gonna do a little unboxing video. What's up guys, welcome back to gentslounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please hit that right now. It really helps us out. And today I'm going to do kind of a first, I think for us, is we don't really do many unboxing videos, but I wanted to try out this format, see if you guys liked it, and the situation just happened to work out perfectly. So last week I was in Mexico for my buddy's wedding, and I was gone for about 7 days and came home to a ton of packages because the holiday season is ramping up and we have a few campaigns and some stuff that we are working on. But I wanted to unbox these for you live. You might see them in future videos, but comment down below if you like this format. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this format, and let's jump right into it. So up first, I got this denim jacket from Hudson. Now, if you guys know me, the blue denim jacket that I constantly wear is also from Hudson. So I love that I have another denim jacket from the brand that I love in a different color. So I'm gonna try these all on. You can see how they fit in the video. I did try this on a little earlier and it was a bit slim for me. So maybe, I don't know if I stretched out my previous denim jacket and just got a little bit bigger, or if they kind of made this a slimmer cut. So I'm definitely gonna wear this around the house for a few days, see if I can get it to loosen up a little bit. But I love the distressing on it. I love the kind of, I guess, wash that there is on this black denim jacket. And I can see it being one of my favorites for fall and winter here in LA. All right guys, so up next we have some stuff from Mott. If you know me, pretty much the only pair of denim I really ever wear are Mott. They fit me perfect. Not that you can't get away with any other pair of denim. I just found a pair that works for me and I buy them constantly. So I ended up getting a new pair of literally the same jeans I'm wearing right now. As you can see, my cell phone has worn a hole in there. So these ones are significantly darker because I've had these for about 2 years. And then Mott sent over their new kind of cable knit sweaters. So let's open this up real quick. Oh yeah, guys. So I got the cream color cable knit sweater from them. This is size medium. This honestly is gonna be perfect for the holidays, for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for keeping you warm, perfect for underneath an overcoat. Very excited to wear this and very excited that Mott is kind of branching out from the great denim that they do and also doing great t-shirts, dress shirts, and among other things. I think I have one more package from them. I think these are the khakis, if I remember my order correctly. So these are their chinos. I got them in navy. Yeah, these are gonna be, actually this might be the perfect outfit. I might go Mott chinos with the cable knit sweater and then maybe some of these boots that I'm about to show you guys. So that's that from Mott. I will have a link to all these things down below. I believe I have a code for 20% off at Mott. So if you want to check them out, I'll have a link to them down below. And now we are moving on. All right, guys, up next, I got this bag from Kortchmar in. It is a beautiful leather duffel bag, light tan leather, which is kind of my preference when it comes to leather bags. I know some people prefer black, but I'm definitely in the light tan game for sure. So this bag is awesome. You can tell it's made of high quality leather. It's not too heavy, but it is sturdy for sure. And then, you know, the zippers feel really nice. There are some pockets on the insides for accessories. Has these little clip-ons, so it makes it easier to pack when you are getting everything together. So it opens up really nice. And as you can see on the inside, there is some nice kind of British inspired lining. And yeah, it's just, I can't wait to take this to Pennsylvania with me when I go home for Thanksgiving. Should be all I need for, you know, a quick trip back home for Thanksgiving. So once again, this bag is from Kortchmar. You will probably see this in many Instagram photos coming up. So be sure to follow us on Instagram if you don't already. And now we are moving on to something you guys might have seen before. So you guys know we're huge fans of Taft over here. So Taft is having an unreal Black Friday sale coming up. So they sent over some of the samples and some stuff for us to check out to help them promote their Black Friday sale. So if you guys are looking for some Taft boots, I think most things will be 20% off and some things will even be 40% off for their Black Friday sale. So check these guys out. These are a little different, huh? But you know, they got a little dress shoe bottom, but then they have this, actually, this looks a lot like the interior of this bag that I just showed you, but a zipper on the side, slide your foot right in. You could wear these with suits, you could wear these with jeans. This is definitely going to dress up a pair of jeans and make a simple suit pop. All right, guys, moving on. We have another pair of boots from Taft. I ordered these specifically because I had a pair, probably I got them, I think 3 or 4 years ago, and I wore the absolute hell out of them. And granted, I was in need of a new pair. So if you guys remember any of our previous posts from a long time ago, I had these guys, but they had a little red elastic right here. They do not make those anymore, sadly, but this is the next best option. And I'm actually a kind of a bigger fan of this because it's more subtle and I can not necessarily have to wear something that has a red pop in it, because sometimes I found myself not being able to wear certain colors because of the colorful elastic on the side. So this is perfect. This is a beautiful shoe. I love the last that they use. It's just the right shape for my foot, works with the slim silhouette, and it's just a freaking beautiful shoe, as you guys can see. So that's it from the guys at Taft. Once again, thank you to Corey and the team over there for always hooking us up. And guys, they are having an unreal Black Friday sale. So if you're gonna pick up some Tafts, make sure you do it this Black Friday. Alrighty guys, moving on, we have more shoes. So I am doing a campaign for Zappos, the shoe website as well, which I've been working with them for a very long time. One thing that is great about them is they have a 365-day return policy, which is a full year, guys. So if you want to return something within a year, Zappos has your back. So these are from Johnston & Murphy. I'm doing the campaign with Zappos and Johnston & Murphy. So I picked a pair of Chelsea boots for this campaign. I'm gonna show you guys how to style these guys. So I don't have a full leather pair with a thin sole right now, so that's why I picked these guys up. These are gonna be perfect for more suited looks and more kind of higher end casual looks. So love these boots, super comfortable. And I did get a shirt to go along with the styling. So I got this right here. Let's see if I can open it. So I got this casual dress shirt, little blue and white motif. There's a pattern on it if you get close enough, but this is gonna be perfect to go with these Chelsea boots. Maybe I'll throw on a suit or a nice pair of jeans and an overcoat, but this is gonna be a good combo. All right guys, and moving on to the next one, we have Polo Red from Ralph Lauren. So basically, if you guys know Polo Red, it's a very popular fragrance. This is the original one. And then they partnered with the artist Craighill to make kind of a Polo Red remix. So this one with the sound waves is the remix. This is the original one. And then they sent over a pair of A9 600 headphones, which have the Craighill logo on them. I have not had a chance to use them yet, but they look super comfortable and perfect for flying on the plane. I actually haven't smelled these in a very long time, and I've never smelled this one, so let's give her a shot. So this is the original Polo Red. Very fresh, very clean, perfect kind of anytime scent. Works at night, wouldn't be too overpowering at the office. Smells really good actually. And let's try the remix on this side. Okay guys, so this one is a little more fruit forward, where this one is a little more kind of like fresh and water forward, I guess. So this one kind of, I think, would be more spring, summer, more daytime, and then the Polo Red, I think, really can work anytime. But they're both really nice. Like, this one smells like vacation to me, and this one kind of smells like more, 9 to 5. But they are both really good. If you guys see them, in a store, try them at the store. See if you like it. The more you smell stuff, the more you're gonna figure out what you like with fragrances. Don't just go off recommendations of what your cousin uses, because it might smell completely different on him or her. But I digress. So moving on to the last thing, which I did not get this week, but I've never talked about on this channel, and it is this little keychain from Craighill. They're making like amazing design pieces for the home and kind of some very, very cool keychains. This is literally the only key I have these days, so this thing is perfect. It's kind of like, you know, just a little different type of keychain, and I love that it's bronze and this color. I'll have a link to them down below as well, but you should definitely check them out. All right, guys, and that pretty much wraps up the video. If you like this type of unboxing video, kind of quick moving through just stuff we picked up over, you know, the last few weeks, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what videos we should do with the items in this video. If you want to see anything specific, we are definitely open to suggestions. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button or followed us on Instagram yet, please do that right now. And we will see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.